Single again? So oftentimes when we're single again, we become doubtful, fearful, worried, and feel like we failed. But you didn't fail. This is an opportunity for you to get to know who you are and how you want to show up and how you want to stand in your power. In this video, I'm going to tell you a few ways to help you get through this challenging time. First, breathe. It's okay. Just take a minute and breathe. It's okay to not date right away, to feel the quiet. It's okay to stay by yourself and get to know who you are. So what I would suggest first off is take time to get to know you. Do things that feel good. Create a routine. Just do a routine that's simple and quiet to allow you to kind of process this. Process your pain or your discomfort with no judgment. It happened. This is a growing opportunity. This is the opportunity for you to see how you showed up in that relationship. Did you respect your boundaries? Were you able to express your needs? Were they met? Did you settle? Were you really into that person? Or was it convenient? These are really important questions. And so as you're realizing your feelings and not judging them and taking some breaths and doing things that feel good, explore something else that feels good, something that maybe you haven't tried. In my experience, I have a lot of clients who will tell me, I stopped doing the things I like because my partner wasn't into that. Well, this is your opportunity to go back to doing the things you like and standing stronger in who you are. So you want to breathe. You want to maybe write down some things that you discovered about yourself, because every opportunity and every time we date and every relationship we're in gives us the opportunity to get to know ourselves better and the opportunity to decide, what do we want? What fits in and who am I now? Because we change and the name of the game is growing. So you're going to breathe. You're going to feel your feelings without judgment. You're going to try a new hobby. Discover who you are. Think about if you explored your boundaries or not. Think about how you want to show up and what kind of partner you want in the future. Maybe write it down. What kind of partner do you want? Do you want the same kind? Were you true to yourself? Did you really care about that person? Was it the person or was it the dream? These are all really important questions and little tips to help you get to know who you are through this challenging time. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, take my self-empowerment quiz for more awareness. It's linked below. And as always, shine your light. Shine through it.